Good morning once again, boys and the girl. We are going straight to section B of paper 3. As I promised you, we'll be working out daily one section, and even during vacation, winter break, if you don't mind, I'll be sending question papers like this. You answer, I will send the key also, self-check and post your score. My only intention is that you should be able to improve from paper to paper. As on today, not very satisfactory performance, so I want every one of you to improve this. Total, I will be giving you around 15 papers, and mind you, today perhaps your exam dates will be announced for term 1. So you need to compete, not with yourself, not with others, but with the time, right? So straight we go to question number 25. Section B consists of A and R type, as I said. Assertion: if the tissue is fully burnt, all the carbon compounds are oxidized to gaseous form like CO2, water vapor, and are removed, and remaining is called ash. Now, reason for this. Analysis of compounds present in the ash gives an idea of the kind of organic and inorganic constituents present in the living tissues. So, both the statements appear to be good. Answer A, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C, A is true, but R is false. D, A is false, but R is true. Now we go to question number 26. Assertion: regeneration is quite common in animals. Regeneration, ability to get back the lost parts. Like we cut our nails or hairs periodically, and we are getting the nails and hair back. Similarly, whenever Naveen playing hockey gets injured, gets a external injury, after 1 week, Naveen doesn't know where the injury was. The muscle is back, skin is back, isn't it? So this is regeneration. Whereas we lose an entire hand or entire leg, human beings don't have the ability to get back the full hand. Whereas some animals, like starfish, you make it powder, spray the powder back into the sea, from each piece, new starfish will generate or regenerate, right? Reason: animals such as sponges, planaria, hydra can generate the whole body from a part. So both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C, A is true, but R is false. D, A is false, but R is true. Question number 27. Assertion: the number of cells in a multicellular organism is inversely proportional to size of the body. The number of cells in a multicellular organism is inversely proportional, okay, not directly proportional, inversely proportional to the size of the body. Reason: all cells of the biological world are alive. A, both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of A. Think of it. B, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C, A is true, but R is false. D, A is false, but R is true. Question number 28. Mature Marchantia. Marchantia is the name of the plant. Bears gametophores. Gametophores. Reason: the antheridiophores and archegoniophores means male and female sex organs are born on different thalli. Thalli plural, thallus singular. Undifferentiated plant body is called thallus. Now, choices. A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Question number 29. How many chambers are there in the heart of reptiles? Okay, reptiles. Alternatives 2, 3, 5 and 4. Question number 30. Question number 30. The parietal placentation is seen in. Here, when we are talking of placentation, since the word is coming parietal, it should be plants, okay, not animals. So, A. China rose, that is a hibiscus. B. P. Botany. C. Marigold. And D. Argemone. So, parietal, we were discussing types of placentation. So, in that he is asking parietal placentation. Question 31. Which one of the following is not a connective tissue? Muscles, second bone, third cartilage, fourth blood. Not a connective tissue. Answer. Prajwal is not asking connective tissue, he is asking not a connective tissue. Okay. So, alternatives 1, 3, 4, 2. Not a connective tissue. Next, lipids that are found in the cell membrane are, lipids means fats that are found in cell membrane. Simple lipids, diglycerides, triglycerides, phospholipids. Clue is there. Lipids, Singer and Nicholson. Remember model? That is the clue. Mosaic model we talked. Question number 33. Which of the following is defining characteristic of living organisms? Defining means very, very prime character. Is it growth, response to external stimuli, reproduction, ability to make sound? Next, 34. Proteins synthesized by ribosomes on the ER, endoplasmic reticulum, are modified in A. Tubules, B. Cisternae, C. Vesicles, D. Stroma. Proteins synthesized by ribosomes on ER are modified in. Question 35. In which pteridophytes heterosporus is produced? Hetero, different spores. Megaspore, microspore, we said no? So, A. Adantum, B. Silotum, P is silent, C. Equisteum, and D. Salvinia. Question number 36. One animal that does not perform locomotion is, no movements, locomotion. Sepia, Cycon, Nereis, Euglena. Means it is attached. That is the meaning. No locomotion. Question number 37. Which one is a true nut? Groundnut, coconut, walnut, cashew nut. Okay? Interesting question. 38. Tendons connect. We were talking about this, importance of that. A. Bone to bone. B. Muscle to muscle. C. Ligament to muscle. D. Ligament to bones. He's asking tendons. 39. Plastids differ from mitochondria on the basis of one of the following features. Mark the right answer. Difference between mitochondria and plastids. Presence of thylakoids, presence of ribosome, presence of DNA, presence of 2 layers of membrane. Easy question. Next, question number 40. ATP is nucleosome, nucleotide, purine base, nucleoside. ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Next, question 41. Taxon is a group of living organisms, group of related species. C. Ranking. D. Group of related families. Next, 42. Bladders of Utricularia. Utricularia, Nepenthes, these are insectivorous plants. Remember? Pictures of Nepenthes are modified dash stem, root, flower, leaf. Which one is modified? Question 43. Which one of the following types of cell is involved in making the inner walls of blood vessels? Inner walls. A. Columnar epithelium. B. Stratified epithelium. C. Cuboidal epithelium. D. Squamous epithelium. Inner walls of blood vessels, arteries and veins. Question 44. Which is the topmost taxa in zoology? Zoology, study of animals. Is it phylum, topmost? B. Division. C. Order. And D. Kingdom. Now all of you know the answer, easy one. Next, question number 45. Lysosomes, suicidal bags, are called suicidal bags because it contains large number of digestive enzymes. B. Large amount of hormones, large number of toxic materials, and large amount of lipase. Okay, next, question number 46. In Elothrix or Spirogyra, reduction division, meiosis occurs at the time of A. Vegetative reproduction, B. Gamete formation, C. Zoospore formation, D. Zygospore germination. Question number 47. The endoskeleton is fully ossified and the long bones are pneumatic in endoskeleton ossification. Class Aves, class Reptilia, class Amphibia, class Mammalia. Now we come to the last question in this section. The lifespan of RBC and WBC are respectively A. 60 days and 90 days, B. 90 days and 120 days, C. 90 days and 60 days, and D 120 days and 90 days. Okay, answer that. I'll give you 1 minute. Check whether you have answered all. Since there is no negative mark, whether you know it or not, answer it. You know it, it's good. You don't know it, then you apply logic. What is the logic that you should apply? Ruling out the wrong one. Rule out the wrong one. Then you arrive at the correct one. Okay? So question 25. Yes. Shall I go ahead with the answers? Naveen?
Yes, yes.
Question number 25. C. A is true, but R is false. Question number 26. D. D for dog. A is false, but R is true. Why? Regeneration, as I said just now, ability to regrow the lost parts. It's quite common in plants as well as animals, particularly in lower animals. Sponges, planaria, hydra, earthworm, all these regeneration is found. The same thing is found in higher animals also, like you must have observed, tail of the lizard, wall lizard, you must have observed. You cut that tail, again it regrows. And in human beings, I said nails, skin, hair, okay? We have limited ability to regenerate. So that is the reason why A is false, but R is true. Next, question number 27, D. Again, A is false, but R is true. The size and shape of the cell in multicellular organisms depends upon the function and location, isn't it? Function and location by them. Question 28, B. B for boy. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. When Mercantia thallus attains sexual maturity, it bears gametangia, bearing upright, stacked, umbrella-shaped structures at the apex of certain lobes of the thallus. These are called gametophores. Remember in textbook there is a diagram, male and female, antheridio and archegoniophore on the thallus. So there are two kinds, antheridophore and archegoniophore. So the one that is bearing antheridophore will bear antheridia and later archegonia. So they produce male and female reproductive cells. Next, question number 29, B. So there are actually 3-chambered heart is found in reptiles, 2 auricles and 1 ventricle, and remaining is incomplete. That's why we are not counting. Actually it is 3.5. In some it is 3/4, Muramukal. Since it is incomplete, we are not counting it as 4. We are counting it as 3. Question 30. Argemone. In parietal placentation, ovules develop on the inner wall of the ovary. So the ovary is 1-chambered, but it becomes 2-chambered due to the formation of false septum, like in sausage, mustard. Next, question number 30, A. Muscles are made up of long cylindrical fibers arranged in parallel arrays. They are muscular tissue, it's not a connective tissue. 32, of course, easy, phospholipids. Some lipids have phosphorus and phosphorylated organic compounds in them. So these are phospholipids. they are found in the cell membrane. Remember that bilipid layer, and in between proteins will be floating. Next, question number 33. Question number 33. Answer B. Response to external stimuli. Rest of the characters may not be apparent, but response to external stimuli can always be confirmed as and when required. So this is considered as defining character of living organism. Question 34. Cisternae. Cisternae of Golgi apparatus is responsible for transporting, modifying and packaging proteins and lipids into vesicles for delivery to targeted destinations. Question 35. D. Salvinia. So Selaginella, Salvinia, they produce two kinds of spores, as I said, macro and microspores. So the plant that produces both types is called heterosporous. Hetero, different, sporous, spores. Question number 36, answer B, cycon. Cycon does not move, although it is an animal. It remains attached to substratum and does not move from place to place. That's why when someone sits for a long hours, we say he has become cycon. Okay. Question number 37. Of course, all of you know, you must have guessed. Cashew nut. The nut is one-seeded fruit with a hard pericarp. The cashew nut is true nut as it is enclosed in hard covering. So cashew nut is the true nut. Next, question number 38. Of course, you know, muscle to bone. Tendons are dense connective tissue that connects muscles to bones. Question 39. Question 39. Yes. Presence of thylakoids. Easy question. 39. Answer A. Question 40 also easy. Nucleotide, because ATP is formed by pentose sugar, nitrogenous base and phosphate. All the three are there. Remember I said SP supernapolis, SPN. All three are present. So it is a nucleotide. Next, 41. It is ranking. Okay. Each category in the taxonomic hierarchy represents a rank and is commonly termed as taxon. Hence, the correct option is ranking. 42. Of course, all of you know, junior class question. Leaves. Insectivorous plants. Bladder of Reticularia. Picture, that bag-like structure of Nepenthes, are modification of leaves. They are modified to catch insects. So they are insectivorous plants. Question number 43. D. Squamous epithelium. Endothelium is a single layer of the squamous epithelium lining the inner wall of blood vessels. Now question number 44. Answer is A. Phylum. In biology, a phylum is a level of classification or taxonomic rank below kingdom. If we talk only about zoology, phylum is on top. 45A. Large number of digestive enzymes. Lysosome is called suicidal bag of the cell because it contains large number of digestive enzymes that can digest the whole cell in case of a rupture, means breaking. Question number 46. Answer is D. Zygospore germination. So in Spirogyra, Elothrix, meiosis occurs at the time of zygospore germination. The plant body of Elothrix and Spirogyra is haploid. They produce zoogametes which are haploid and fuse to form zygospore which is diploid, 2n, n plus n. So this is a resting spore. Zygospore is a resting spore. So once the conditions become favorable, zygospore undergoes reductional division or meiosis to produce zoomeospores. So this is how 2n becomes again back to n. So question number 47, of course you guessed it correctly, class aves. You know, aves means birds, they have to fly. If they have to fly, the bones have to be strong, at the same time they have to be lightweight, then only they can fly. And inside, like balloons, you know, there should be air cavities. Pneumatic bones means bones having air cavities inside them. So obviously the answer has to be answer A, class aves, birds. And last question, 48. All of you guessed it correct. RBC of course 120 days, almost 4 months. WBC 3 months. So 120 days and 90 days. And after that, what happens? They degrade in a gland called spleen in our body. Okay? So just calculate out of 24 questions what is your score and put your score in our WhatsApp group. And next session I will take section C. We will complete section C tomorrow and I will post this question paper. Now 3 question papers, 1, 2, 3. I think already I have posted 1, 2 and 3 I will post today. You can go through it. But before you see the answers, my ask is that you answer first. Don't directly go to answer sessions. I know you are tempted to see the answer, but don't do that. First, answer the questions. You arrive at the answer. Then you go to answer section. Self-check. You are right, okay, no problem. But you are wrong. Why are you wrong? Where did you go wrong? This is important. This is called self-analysis. This is most important. So, as I said, make a notes of it. Arrange the questions chapter wise. Then you will come to know in which chapter, what is the topic that is given top priority, how many questions are coming from that topic, and you need to give importance to that. So it is not just the chapters. Inside the chapters, what are the topics that you need to focus? That will give you an idea. You will be in a better position to answer. So any doubts in this, you can post it in the WhatsApp group. Okay? Bye. Take care.